What's up, y'all? It's your girl Lavina coming back to you with another cash stuffing video. Hey. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? It's election day. And who's excited? I don't hear nobody excited. Who's excited? I'm excited for it to be over, okay? So we can all move on and get back to, trying to pay these bills and get more money like we've been doing, okay? All right, y'all. Today we're going to be doing a few things, multiple different things. Y'all know I still got some of that October savings challenge to deal with, so we're going to deal with a little bit of that and everything. So how y'all been doing? We got some change. All right, we're going to put some of this change in there. And here, this mug getting heavy, y'all. Shout out to all my subscribers. I want y'all to know your girl appreciate y'all. Woo, y'all. These to get that little bat wing together. Woo, goodness gracious. Dang. That's big, daddy. No. Okay, y'all. Let's see how much money we got today. So, let's get a little order in here. So, we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. $45. Y'all, do y'all know I went to go vote today? I've been waiting. I've been waiting to vote for months now. I've been waiting. I'm telling you. Do y'all know I went up there, y'all? I could not vote. I guess they ain't transferred my stuff from Michigan. I ain't voted since Obama, honey. But I was about to vote this time, honey. I had everything. I had my going to vote walk going and everything. You know they turned your girl around. Not only me, though. It was a couple of people. I hope it ain't no funny business going on. But the lady say that's why. So, honey, we gonna go ahead and, respect the people and move on along. Okay, y'all. So, let's do a little bit of something in the low priority binder. Let's go ahead and open her up. Which y'all see she dry like toast. Okay, so we're going to put $5. This is the Wi-Fi bill. And like I told y'all, this is not my bill. This is Lorenzo's bill, but I'm trying to at least get a bill ahead on my own in case something happened. You know what I mean? But it's still a low priority. But in case something happened. This water bill is Will's bill. But same case, y'all. In case my husband gets sick. He can't pay the bill or something. I want to eventually, you guys, my goal is to get these caught up at least 2 months. But like I said, low priority. Entertainment, gonna get $1. Now we can give entertainment $2. I think we can afford to put $2 in that. Yeah, y'all, I was disappointed I couldn't vote, but it is what it is. And y'all, when I get my check, we gonna be budgeting that. When I get my check, it should be coming by tomorrow, I guess. So we're gonna do a budget video. I'm gonna try to start doing more budgeting videos too, just so I can get to the real root issue of what the hell going on with my finances. You know what I mean? I already know what's going on somewhat, but I'm sure it'll give me a clearer view of what the real picture is, y'all. What's the real picture? What's really going on? How your shmoney really look? What you spending your shmoney on? For real, for real. And do you overspend? Oh, I've been watching y'all. I'm learning some things, honey. I am learning some things. So, I do be overspending, though. I already know it. I already know it, friends. Your girl be overspending. Okay, y'all. So, we already took care of this binder. Let's put her over here. And let's go ahead and get into these savings challenges, y'all. Whoops. That's for Daquan here. His grooming tomorrow. First and foremost, y'all, it's November. And let's jump off the ledge. We ain't about to just stay stuck in October, honey. Cause I supposed to have done that, you know, but I had stuff going on. They hit us with that thing, that situation we ran into. So I couldn't. I mean, I probably, nope, I couldn't because my mind was on a roof, okay? It wasn't on no savings challenges, nothing. It was just on that roof, you heard? Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead. We are going to do, let's see what we got. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. It's November, y'all. We jumping off the roof because this is my challenge. I do want to try to finish by the end of this month. It's $320. I could make these 510, but we want to take the plunge, right, y'all? We definitely want to take the plunge. So let's go ahead and allocate 5, 10, 15, 20, $20. Okay, y'all. We're going to take that plunge and jump into November, honey, because this is the one right here. Like, all of them is the one, truth be told. But, you know, it is what it is. Hey, y'all, I told Will about I want to use the savings challenges for Christmas. Why he was like, nah, that we got to get that $1,000 emergency fund. He was like, you need to do a Christmas savings challenge. In my head, y'all, I'm like, what? Like, boy, do you know we still paying all these bills? And I'm really trying to really fight and work hard to get these savings challenges done so we can do Christmas. I think it's a little too late, bub, for us to be starting a Christmas savings challenge. That's all I'm thinking. But I don't know. We'll see where it go. It might have to be half and half. I don't know. Because I haven't really been saving for Christmas. And he haven't been saving for Christmas. We've been paying bills. So, we'll see if Mr. Hatcher get his way. But, hey, you know, who's to say? I guess it's possible. You know, we can get some extra money. And, you know what I mean? I don't know. I'm going to think about it. Y'all. I'm going to think about it. I'm going to see. Because obviously, after what happened with this rent and his resourcefulness, I can't be doubting the man now. Because he came through. That man came through. So he might know something. I don't know, honey. So we did the November. Now, you guys, let's go back to our October, which I really want to finish. Okay, let's see. We're going to pull out Save Your Nuts. For sure. Now, Save Your Nuts, we have 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. Y'all, I just got stuck. I knew this was 45, but my eyes was deceiving me. So we have $45 left, and this will be 60 bucks. So let's see. We are going to... Oh, y'all. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. How about we do 2 Save Your Nuts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 10 now. And we have, let's see, the total. Now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25. And Save Your Nuts. Slow and steady wins the race, y'all. You know, I got to start completing. So I don't want to give up on Save Your Nuts, honey. We got to stick with them. You know. What? Dang, I messed up a little bit. That's alright. Yep. So I hope everybody is doing well. If you're not doing well, can you let me know? Okay, so we can pray, and you know, I got such a wonderful community over here. Trust me, they'll pray for you. And they'll give you some encouraging words in the comment too. Don't hold it in. please. We want to move into January. I mean, you know, into 2025, getting more healthier mentally, physically. You know what I mean? Like, we can't. Let's get our mental health together. I did some a good stretch. Will found this guy on YouTube. It was so calming, y'all. It gave me like he looked just like a bald head Bruce Lee, y'all. And it was such a good relaxing zen stretch morning. It was only like a 6-minute stretch, y'all. And let me tell you, I heard cracks and pops. It felt so good. Like after I got finished, I just took a deep breath like, yes. Okay, we still owe, but we ain't gonna be paying them today. We still owe $5 here. It's all. I don't know. I guess it just did that. I don't know. Let me see. I think that's the one I shouldn't have colored. But no, we gonna. Oh no, we only got one to cover, and that's gonna be color, and that's gonna be a ghost. That's that $3. We only got one more ghost to do, y'all. Now, let's see what we have. Now we have, and this is the Halloween challenge, y'all, but we're going to finish that. Now we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, y'all. We got 34 in blue. Whenever we get finished, y'all, I guess that's when we'll get finished and see. But it's coming along. And then we had this little extra. We had this little extra money in here too. So if at the end and we doing challenges anyway, and there was some extra money, then that's what it was. That was extra money from October. I didn't know or plan on, you know, it being there, so we're going to just keep it as extra. All right, y'all. Well, you guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for your girl on your way out. Like I said, you guys, let's get less stress in our life today. How about this? How about we, I'm talking about all of us as a community. That's if you're not already doing it now. Your girl don't want to go assuming you like me and you don't be stressing. I mean stretching, you stressed out, you're feeling all overwhelmed. That might just be me. But if you like me and you want to find a way to just, you know, ease your stress levels or anger levels or just hopelessness levels, try a little stretching with calm music. It's free videos on YouTube, okay, you guys? So see you guys on the next video. Bye.